Okay, this is a video for Speed Pro J SSAFC installation. There's the SSAFC. Alright, so I tried to label these as best as possible. Looks like one label is on the floor here. Assuming it's for this purple wire from the SSAFC. So it says input side pin 88 for the MAF. Input side means it is on the ECU side of the wiring harness when you look at it. So where it goes into the ECU connector is the input side, and that is the purple wire. And then I'm gonna go through all these, try my best to keep all these labels intact. So the black wire is ECU ground, pin 103. The green wire on the SSAFC is, it connects to the harness side of the engine harness. Harness side means wherever the wire is leading to the sensor, so it's going into the engine bay. So that is pin 88 for the MAF. So wire 88 for the MAF, the green wire on the SSAFC. Now this wire is a pink wire with blue stripe. That is for, let's see, the O2 sensor, input, O2 sensor on input side, which is pin number 60. Okay, next wire is the solid pink wire, which is pin 60, O2 sensor on the engine harness side. So solid pink wire is pin 60 on, it's the O2 sensor wire on the harness side. Okay, now we're left with the yellow wire, is the tachometer signal, which is pin 48. You just splice into that. You don't need to separate the wiring. The next wire is the red wire, which is battery and switched by ignition, pin 97. And that one you splice into as well. You don't need to separate the wiring. So when that's all said and done, this is how your harness is going to look like after everything's installed. And you have a vacuum line that comes from a vacuum source in your engine bay to the SSAFC itself. You should get an independent line to give you the best readings.